what are they called? They're called like haboobs. It's basically like windstorms. I was like, why does it have such a silly name? Your dual reds today luckily sustained the light you sustained light injuries. Meh, 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 meh. Tucson people lose their minds every time the roads flood. Oh my gosh. I see a lot of like diverters. I don't know what you guys call them here, but in California we would call them like diverters, where there's basically like canals that are concrete, that are like trenches essentially, that just are around to like um capture overflow. Yeah. I mean, you would think that like Seattleites were reasonably good at um driving in the rain, but it's like they forget that they're Seattleites and that they can drive in the rain. Honestly, Seattleites are also really bad when it's extra sunny. They don't know how to drive in the sunshine as well. And don't even get me started on snow, because everything is a hill. So I think I only need one more heart.